Today I'm going to show you how to make this keto lactation mug cake brownie. It is so delicious and you're absolutely going to love it. It will help boost milk supply without all the added sugars and carbs. If you guys don't know me, I'm Julie and I'm a ketogenic health coach, and I specialize in working with breastfeeding mamas to help them safely lose the baby weight, all without losing milk supply. And I love making some keto lactation treats so you can still be keto and enjoy some amazing treats. All right, let's get baking. All right, so the first ingredient we are going to add is 1 tablespoon butter. So you want to put it in here and you'll want to melt it in the microwave for 30 seconds or until fully melted. All right, then once the butter is melted, you'll want to add 2 tablespoons of the almond flour. And I already had it pre-measured out. Then we will add 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. And this is one of the ingredients that will help boost milk supply. And I have another video on all my favorite top keto foods that will boost milk supply, so I'll make sure to link that above. Then you'll want to add 3 tablespoons of your favorite keto sweetener. I am using monk fruit, and I already have this measured out before, and that's 3 tablespoons. The next ingredient we are going to add is cocoa powder, and I actually like this brand. It's a little more nutrient dense than just Hershey's cocoa powder, but whatever you have on hand will work. And that's 1.5 tablespoons of the chocolate powder. The next ingredient we are going to add is brewer's yeast. Now this is optional, but this can really help boost milk supply, and it's something that's really beneficial to help your milk supply. So I like to add this. This is a little bit of a bitter tasting, so I don't like to put too much in the recipe, but I like to put enough in there so you can get all the lactation benefits from it. Then the next ingredient we are going to add is heavy whipping cream, and I just like to add a little bit of this to kind of give it the better texture when eating it. If you are dairy free, you can use almond milk or coconut cream. It also works perfectly with this recipe. Then we have 1 egg. You'll just want to crack an egg into it. All right, now that we have all the ingredients in the cup, you'll want to mix until well combined. Then last but not least, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of the Lily's chocolate chips, or your favorite keto chocolate chips. The dark chocolate is dairy free, so if you want to add some chocolate and you're doing dairy free, the dark chocolate is the best for that. And then you'll want to make sure to stir those in before you put it in the microwave. All right, so I have everything mixed well, so it will look like this in there if you can see that. And then you'll put this in the microwave for 90 seconds to 120 seconds, depending on your microwave. You'll just want to make sure that it's fully cooked when it is done. All right, I just took this out of the microwave, so be careful because it's pretty hot. But this is what it will look like. Let me put it a little closer if you can see that. This is what it will look like when it's completely finished. And I love to add an extra tablespoon of Lily's chocolate chips on top just to give it the more chocolate flavor. All right, now I'd love to hear from you. Let me know once you try this recipe and how much you loved it. Also, let me know if it helps boost your milk supply. Share in the comments below. Then make sure to like and subscribe so you can get some more keto lactation recipes, tips, and more. I hope you guys have a great day. See ya.